In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the motor for the headlight automatic adjuster in an is200 or 300. So in my previous video, I took out the old one of these and put the new one in. And unfortunately, it's not as simple as push it in and click it in and then you're good to go, because the actual actuator part on the motor, this ball part, needs to click into a clip inside here to be able to control the headlight movement up and down. Otherwise it won't have full movement up and down, it'll be just a little bit up and down. So I've had to pull apart the front end of the car, taken off the bumper bar, just to get to the light to be able to take that off. There's videos out there on how to do that, so I'm not going to go into that, but I couldn't find a video on the headlight motor installing that, so that's why I'm making this. So now that I've got this out, I've had to do it to get to the bottom part here where it's got this panel which can be removed with 4 Phillips head screws to be able to get to the inside to be able to hold that clip in place when I push the motor in. So let's undo these 4 screws. Now we can see where that clip goes into inside. So it goes down. I'll just zoom in here. Sorry for my shoddy camera work, but so you see that ball joint, it goes down and it's got to click into the latch in there. So by taking this off, I can get to that to hopefully push it up. So by putting a screwdriver in there, I can actually move that part up and down. That's a bit hard to see. Let me try and get a better angle of this. So there's the clip in there. So I can move that up and down with a screwdriver, and then I can brace it on the inside there as I push the motor into position. I don't know if this is needed, but it will probably help get it in. This is just some silicone lubricant. It's not a greasy lubricant, so it should be good. Now I just got to try and push that in. Obviously I'm holding the camera, so I might have to put you guys down. Hang on. Alright, so I actually just didn't film what I did then, unfortunately, but I've figured it out. I was trying to do it the hard way, but I've now locked it into place. So what I did is I put this motor in and I locked that into its position where it should be, and the part in here was not connected. I then put my screwdriver inside and pushed at the bottom, pushed it and clipped the clip into position. So it's now clipped onto the ball joint, and I'll just... there, that's probably better for you to see. It's clicked into position now. And now I've just got to put all this back together and put that back in the car. And okay, so I've plugged everything back in. And a tip as well is the indicator bulb. It was easier to twist and pull out the bulb itself with the wiring harness attached like this. It's easier to pull the whole thing out than unclick it. So let's try and push that back in. So that's all good. The other motor's seized up, but this motor's now replaced. So I've only got one working motor, so it should move now. That's good. Now at least I'm getting some movement with it, and it's going up and down. I think it's stopped in the highest position though, so I've probably got some more work to do with at least replacing the other motor, seeing if they both stay in the high position. And then the next step is to replace the sensors on the wheel hubs to get the actual headlights to point down a bit, but at least now they're moving up and down, or at least this side is. and I can change the motor on the other side. It's going to be the same to do the motor, but a little bit longer to take this side out because it's hard to get to everything. Look at that, both moving. But yes, both in the high position, but they need to have some more work done with them, but it's better than having them not move. I just need to get them to stop in the right spot. Alright, thanks for watching, hope this helps someone, and see you next time. Bye!